Please tell me why you ruined my entire fucking life. Because I'm having this cough like Grandma Darlene. And my pups that I had, I'm not allowed to cure them, people. It's like counting chickens before your eggs hatch. Why did you ruin my whole fucking life? It's like you put half bad lungs of Grandma Darlene mixed with Ashley smoking, or some amount of Grandma trying to heal Grandma, and you're killing Ashley. And then you're gonna force Ashley to kill those fucking puppies on those other people's children by filling them up partway whether they fucking smoke or not, and they would like never fucking know it. I have no life.